Bonjour everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be different from the one that I usually do because I just wanted to just take a moment and basically talk to you especially about my channel. So this video has been inspired by the current drama in the beauty community, mostly in the makeup community, and I think that it is basically time that I just talk about my ethics, what my channel is about, and etc. And also I would say the trust factor that we need to have between us, so subscribers with YouTuber, well, basically me here, and me towards you and etc. I think that this is something very important. I also want to talk about affiliate links and etc. So first of all, I want to talk about mostly about my content. So like I usually say in my introduction, my content is mostly inspired by, I would say, science, and I am a biologist. I am a researcher. I used to be, I should say, a researcher because I'm no longer in the research field. So therefore, the way that I see skincare are mostly from a biologist point of view and not by a chemist. I am not a chemist. I am also not a doctor. This is also why, even though I do have a PhD, you can call me doctor in a way, but from the scientific point of view, I am not like a medical doctor, which is also why I didn't choose to call myself like Dr. Laurent. Laurent is not my family name, by the way. This is just my second name. I don't want this because I don't want to create like this sort of illusion that I'm knowledgeable in medicine. I do have some knowledge of it because I like to read about it, but I am not a doctor. And of course, if you have any skin issues like a lot of acne, like weird patches, weird dark spot, and etc., please go and consult with a dermatologist. They are the one to consult, and I think that it is very important that my area of expertise is basically the impact of a skincare ingredient on your skin from the biologist point of view and not even from the chemistry point of view. I do from time to time talk a little bit of the chemistry, but this is not my specialty. I think that this is something that is important. The other thing that I want to tell you is that it is okay for me to be wrong, in the sense that I cannot read all the scientific articles that are published on everything else, or else I would not be able to make any video. So if at one point I discovered that one piece of information that I've shared with you is incorrect, or simply because the research have advanced and that we have a better understanding of something, I will tell you, and that is completely, and that is something that is completely fine. Like most of things, stuff are not like completely fixed, and I also tell you things according to my personal experience and to what I've been reading, maybe like in 5 years or even like in 2 weeks and etc. If I read something new and etc. and we have more data on something, or I just discovered that I misunderstood something, I will be the first one to tell you. And I think that this is something that is extremely important, which leads me to the second point. I wanted to create my channel here, but also my Instagram account, really like to help you to understand how skincare ingredients are going to help you with your skin and how they works, or it is wise, I would say, to combine them with. So for example, can you combine acids with retinol? I'm thinking about this, and if you can, how you can do it. So I really like the whole main purpose of this channel is not to tell you that I love this product on myself. It's really like to try to help you with your own skincare routine, and basically to help you to understand more about those ingredients and how they are going to works. And this is the big part of the ethics of my channel. Now, concerning my relationship with brands, you probably already know that I use affiliate links. You need to understand that when I make a video, the only way actually for me to earn money currently is because of the ad. I simply add that when you are watching the ads, I do get a little commission. This is very little. I mean, with YouTube, you basically work almost for free. And I also have like some affiliate links. So when you are choosing to click the link and you purchase the products, I do earn a little commission behind, and I thank you for that. What I love about affiliate links is that if it is something that makes you uncomfortable, you do want to support me, I mean financially, you don't have to, and this is also something that I really like about it. From now on, I have received some product in PR. Not a lot, I have to say, probably because I can be like quite harsh with some brands, so maybe they are scared of me. I don't know. The product that I've received in PR, I always tell you. If I didn't tell you, it's really not because I didn't want to disclose it, but simply because I have forgotten. This is as simple as that. Whether I receive the product in PR or I buy it, it is not going to change anything for me, because I will still tell you what I really think about them, and I will also tell you why I think that this product could be good or so or bad or etc., or why I will not buy it. This is not going to change whether I got it on my own or not. Most of the time, the few products that I got in PR, the way that I like to do it is I either DM myself or send a mail to the brand and say, well, hey, hello, I do like this product, so do you mind to send it to me in PR? Or the brand from time to time contacts me. Most of the brands actually that have contacted me, I always decline because I didn't really like the formula and I didn't think that they were that interesting. But what I want to tell you here is that every time, whether I receive the product or not, it is always coming from me, and I'm always the one who is basically the boss. And yeah, basically that's it. I don't think in the future I will also make a video where I'm basically paid by a brand. Maybe if like Curel calls me or Adèle Abo calls me and say, hey, we are going to pay you if you do a video about us, and you have the liberty to say whatever you want, I would most likely say yes. But if your brands just want me basically to be like this sort of commercial and talk about certain things where I don't feel comfortable, I will never do it. I am someone who cannot be bought. It was also like that when I was a researcher. When I have like scientific arguments to prove a point or to think that something leads to one conclusion, whether it is about skincare or not, I will stand to it, and money is not going to buy me. And this is something that is also, I think, very important. The last thing that I want to tell you is, of course, the trust factor. I do know that there are a lot of shades, a lot of drama, and that is very difficult to trust people. I do think that there are a ton, and actually that the majority of people on YouTube are trust worthy. At the end of the day, it always goes with the trust factor. So basically that's it for today. I really feel that it was necessary that I do a video like this where I just lay down everything, that I just talk about it really like openly, because I do think that this is something very, very important. And yeah, basically that's it. So like always, feel free to comment down below. Again, thank you so much for being here, because yes, if I am here, actually if all YouTubers are here, it's because of you, because of your support, of your time. So thank you so much.